21 years old, I lost her in the cold. It's unfair, she's out there somewhere, somewhere in Brooklyn. She's somewhere in Brooklyn. Little Miss Perfect sitting at the train stop, red Nike high tops, listening to hip hop. While we were waiting, started conversating. Before I got a name, along came a train.
This is a video of Brooklyn. We're out on the lake on the boat, about to go wakeboarding, and we didn't let him in the boat. And so what happens is Brooklyn gets really mad. And so when he gets mad, he's determined to get to the boat, so he actually jumps into the water and he is swimming to the boat. And you can see the little head. And when he gets closer, you'll be able to see his little rudder. He's like power swimming today. Good boy. Come here. Come here. Good boy, come here. Come to the back, come on. Oh, come here, baby dog. You're so cute. You're so cute. Come here. Oh. Thanks for that, Brooklyn.
It's back to the train.